The internal access to the laundry was relocated. This allowed us to gain a lot more storage. The clients have an existing attic space above, so we had to be mindful of where the ladder access was when we were reconfiguring the space. For the bathroom, this was already a very narrow space to begin with. By adding an obscured aluminium window, we were able to create a shower at the back and bring the vanity and the toilet to the front. In the ensuite, the main consideration was bringing the vanity as close to the window as we could to allow for greater natural light at the vanity. My favourite feature in the bathroom and ensuite is the stunning green fleck terrazzo tiling. The hues of green complement the home's natural landscape and create a pop of fun. Pairing a green concrete basin really elevated the look and tied all the finishes together. These solid timber vanities add that element of warmth back into these bathrooms, work in harmony with the rest of the finishes and natural timbers throughout the home. The softness of these spaces is enhanced with the use of Tannex to finish off the edges around the tile reveal windows and nib walls. It was such a joy to work on this project. The end result is a beautiful home amongst the treetops.